Hi guys, today we'll talk about professional photo editing, that how we can edit our photo with a Snapseed. If you're new, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. So today we will discuss photo editing of Snapseed step by step. Now let's start. So first of all, you will click on our Snapseed app. So now I have already opened my picture, and if you wanted to open a new one, so you should click on open option. So first of all, you will click on tools option, and now click on the first option, tune image. So here we will increase the brightness, and now the contrast, and the third option is a few in decrease, and the fourth option, and now shadow, and then click on right, and now once again click on tools and click on detail. So it should be a few at least, and now click on tools and click on curve. You should decrease it a few brightness, and then click on tick option, and now once again click on tools and click on white balance. Now here we can see the temperature increasing, decreasing, so you should decrease a few and then click on right and click on tools, and here now you should click on brush option. So and now a few zoom, should be click on e icon that show that where you are brushing. And now click on e icon and then click on right option, and once again click on tools option, and now click on venting. So here we can see 6 7, it's from 1 to 12, so you should select 9 or 10. So I will select 10 option, and now click on scroll down, and here we can see portrait option, so you should click on portrait, and now on smooth 2 or spotlight 2. So as you wish, if you wanted to select spotlight 2 or smooth 2, so both are right, so I will select spotlight 2 and then click on right. Now here we can see the difference, and now click on select you and select this area, and you should increase the brightness, and now another one. And now here we can see the difference, and now once again you should click on select you, should select all the face, this is clear and bright, so see the difference. And now we will bright our hand. So now here we can see the difference, and now you should clear the clothes brightness. We can see a lot of difference between the simple picture and now the edit picture. Lens blur, here we can see if you want to apply lens blur, so you can apply it, and many other options, but these are a text option, frame, double exposure, and magnetic, etc. So your photo is completely edited. So you can also edit your photo with your own phone and Snapseed. And if you want to edit by us, so you can contact us. We have a number in our description, so you can contact us on WhatsApp, so we'll edit your photo. And thanks for watching. Goodbye until to another video.